We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I remember the ocean, memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, Sunsilk now declares the first ever vlogger contest, Be the Next Vlogger. Yes, our girls are now welcome to start a new path in their career by participating in the Sunsilk Be the Next Vlogger contest and win their own platform of independence. Keep your eyes on Sunsilk Facebook page for more information on Sunsilk Be the Next Vlogger contest. Ladies and gentlemen, this wonderful fashion show was choreographed by Azra Mahmood, makeover by Persona, and outfits were by Zaheen Khan. And with this, I have to call an end to this beautiful evening. Thank you so much for gracing this event with your wonderful presence. I wish all of you have great hair days every day. Thank you so much. This is me, Nabila, signing off. Take care and good night.